Without further ado, let's get into it. How do you fix your Samsung TV when it has black screen, but you can still hear the sound? Before we list the solutions, please, check the following. Make sure your TV is getting sufficient power. Try changing the wall outlet and see if it makes a difference. Inspect all the cables leading to the TV, they shouldn't be loose or dusty. Disconnect all the external devices, like Xbox or soundbar, see if the TV works better without them. Reset your router and internet connection, put fresh batteries into your remote, check for any pending TV updates. Some of the things from this checklist might have already helped. But if not, here are 5 more steps to follow. Number 1. Soft reset your TV. Simply turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait for 60 seconds, plug it back in. This will most likely fix the issue, but if not, there are a few more things for you to try. Number 2. Reset all external devices. If you have some kind of external device connected to your TV, like a cable box, that might have caused the issue of the black screen with the sound still working fine. You need to simply turn your cable box off by pressing its power button. Wait for 1 minute, and then turn it back on. Another option is to unplug the power cord of your cable box or any other external device from the power source, wait for 1 minute again, and then plug it back in. You can use this method if the first one didn't work out for you. Number 3. Replug HDMI cables. I already mentioned checking the cables for any dust or dirt. I also recommend that you unplug the HDMI cables from your TV, and then reconnect them. You can try using a different HDMI port. Number 4. Choose the right source. Select the correct source on your TV for the corresponding HDMI port. For example, if the cable is plugged into HDMI 1, then select that option on your TV by clicking the source button on your remote. Number 5. Factory reset your TV. If nothing has helped so far, let's go ahead and do the factory reset. This will erase all the stored data on your TV. Navigate to Settings, General. Select Factory Reset. To complete the reset, select OK. Your TV will restart automatically. If you have any other questions regarding this topic, we have a lot of useful resources in our blog. You can find the link to it under the video. Thank you so much for watching.